On-page SEO is all about fine-tuning each web page to climb those search engine rankings. First up, title tags. Make sure to weave in your main keyword and keep it snappy, under 60 characters. Then, craft a meta description that grabs attention, ideally under 160 characters, and throw in a call to action to entice clicks. Headers are your best friends. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags to organize your content and sprinkle in those keywords. Don't forget about links. Internal links guide users through your site, while external links boost your credibility. And let's not overlook images. Compress them for faster loading and add alt text to help search engines understand what they are. These strategies not only enhance user experience, but also signal to search engines that your content is valuable. Optimize wisely and watch your rankings soar.